everyone, welcome back to my video. I hope you are doing very well. Learn English with me. Today I'm gonna speak about myself. We'll speak about the weather, the beautiful weather today. I really enjoy it. You know what? The wind, the beautiful and the fresh wind is touching my heart. So that's why today again I'm with you. I hope you really enjoy my video. So let's check the weather and enjoy this video. So friends, I know that you are learning this language. I will speak, you will listen. It's your listening task. You are listening to me. It means you are training your ears to learn this language or to understand this language. Listening is one of the best part of learning this language. It helps you to learn new phrases. It helps you to learn the pronunciation of new words, and it helps you a lot to understand this language or to have access to speak this language. I hope you really enjoyed my video, and here you can see the clouds in the sky. These clouds really seems very good because I love seeing clouds. And what's my wish? I want to go to New Zealand because it is one of the best country in the world. In New Zealand you can see the nature a lot. In New Zealand you can see the part of heaven because it looks very good. People enjoy going there, and it's also my wish to go there. One day inshallah I will have this access to go New Zealand and visit so many countries, because in the future I'm aiming to become a traveler. That's why I'm learning this language, because I wanna go different types of countries. For suppose like Keen Abroad or Harry Zigard, as they go different types of countries, as they go to so many countries, they visit the country and they enjoy visiting those countries. I wanna become like them. So if I have this access in the future to go to different countries, I will be thrilled to visit all the countries, wherever I could go. So it will be really enjoyable for me, and inshallah that day I will bring soon. So friends, today you tell me in the comments that what's your way to learn this language. My way is, first of all, I wanna tell you that I'm a student, so that's why I have also homework from school. So that's why I don't get enough time to focus on this language. But the time which I get free, in that time I learn this language. I complete the listening task. Sometimes I watch wrestling because it is one of the best for me. In wrestling there's a commentary in this language, in English language. That's why I watch the wrestling, because it gets my interest, and as well as it is beneficial for me because I listen the commentary in English language. They speak too much fast, but gradually inshallah I will have this access to understand what they are talking. Okay, then after every evening I do practice, whether I record my video while doing practice or I just talk to myself. Sometimes I record my video, and then after, at the school time, I only speak in English, because all the day in school, even though my friends, they reply me in English language, I have already told them to speak in English with me, because it's also beneficial for them. If they speak in English with me, they will increase their fluency, or they will be able to speak this language. And then after, I complete the sharing task, because I also get benefit of it. I learn the new phrases and I learn the pronunciation of words. So friends, I really hope that you enjoyed my video, and if you enjoyed it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and also tell me in the comments how do you learn this language, what's your way, and also don't forget to like my video. So we'll meet you in next video. Allah Hafiz.